Hello there! Welcome to First Real Estate Program. This is the first step toward your success as a first partner. My name is George Nepomuceno, your training lead and a proud pioneer of First. Together, magkasama tayong mas makikilala ang First brand with its key insights you need to build confidence, credibility, and success. Always keep in mind, you are your own brand ambassador. Kaya ngayon pa lang, as you take your big step, I congratulate you already. Are you ready? Let's start your journey. First started with a simple goal to redefine what first homes should be. For many Filipinos, buying a home is their biggest dream, and we make that dream achievable with quality, value, and trust. Ikaw ang na first partner. You can always proudly tell your clients that with first, they don't need to compromise quality to own their dream home. Behind the first brand is the Century Properties Group Inc., a developer known for building high-end residences, office towers, and mixed-use communities. By creating First, Century Properties expanded its portfolio to make first homes more attainable. That means every time you sell first, you are backed by the expertise and reputation of a developer that has already proven itself in the market. With around 40 years of real estate innovation, Century Properties has solidified its place among the Philippines' top developers, with its legacy includes Trump Tower and Gramercy Residences in Makati City. We also have, at the south, a lifestyle community, Azure Urban Resorts Residences. CPGI was founded by Ambassador Jose E.B. Antonio, our executive chairman, while Century Properties President and CEO, Mr. Jose Marco Antonio. For the first brand, we have here our President and CEO, Mr. Ricky M. Celis or RMC, while our Sales Operations Head, Ms. Gretchen Ramos. Now, as a first brand, we focuses on the first home buyer segment. First is the collective brand of our developer and company, First Spark Homes Incorporated. Linawin natin, if we are pertaining to the developer and company, we have the First Spark Homes Incorporated. If we are pertaining to the brands, to the products, we have here our mother brand, First. Since 2017, we've launched multiple projects in Luzon. Now, we have in Visayas and in Mindanao. Started from a single brand, First Spark Homes. Ngayon, meron na tayong total of 5 sub-brands. Namely, the First Sites, First Spark Homes, First Impressions, First Editions, and First Centrale. Each of those brands are tailored solutions to meet the high-quality homes Filipinos really deserve. Filipinos who might be young professionals, newlyweds, OFW families, starting families, or we could also cater for investment and second home. First is here for all of them because we believe buying a home is not just an investment, it's a Filipino's lifetime achievement. Kaya as sales consultants, we are here to guide these future first homeowners to have their dream home in a very convenient process. With those processes, with the convenience, those are part of our brand pillars, the 4 C's. Tandaan natin, complete, conceptive, connected, and convenient. These 4 pillars will define and differentiate First to different competitors in the market. Complete means we deliver fully finished homes. From the exterior up to the interior, lahat kompleto na. Si buyer, even with minimal furniture and appliances, their unit is already livable. Plus, with expansion provision pa upon their turnover. Next up, we have conceptive. Aside from having complete homes para kompleto yung buong villages natin, we also have conceptive amenities. What we offer here are its benefits. Buyers will get to experience belongingness they will be unwinding and relaxing with their loved ones here and abroad because in our Central Amenity Park, meron tayong free Wi-Fi access doon. Also, part of our connectivity, aside from having them connected to their loved ones, they will also be connected to their life essentials. Lahat ng ating mga strategic locations ay malalapit sa malls, terminals, and conveniences. And finally, convenient. From the reservation up to the buyer's title transfer and move in, lahat yan convenient. We will guide them to experience easier documentation process. And those buyers might come from different target market. Ang maganda dyan, kapag meron kang prospect interested to purchase a property na about 1.7 to 2 million pesos, yung total contract price o property value, we have a sub-brand for them. If you have a buyer whose focus ay convenience, na maging part ng isang community na mixed use, meron tayong sub-brand para dyan. If you have a buyer who prefers to be part of an upscale development, meron din tayong sub-brand para dyan. So ano man ang market segment belong ang buyer mo, meron tayong po pwedeng i-offer sa kanya. Let's start with the first sites. First site focuses on the socialized to low economic housing market segment. We have less than a million peso value to 1.5 million na total contract price. At the next one, ito yung mas alam natin kasi we have launched most of our projects under this brand, the First Park Homes. First Park Homes and First Impressions focuses on the high economic to affordable market segment. We've launched multiple projects of First Park Homes already, focuses on high economic to affordable market. Now, we have on the same market segment, the First Impressions. Later, you'll know ano ba yung difference ng dalawa, pero tandaan natin, same market segment ang First Park Homes and First Impressions. Those buyers interested to purchase a property around 1.7 to 3 million pesos na total contract price. Next here, we have the First Editions. If your buyer is looking for a property on an upscale development, we have First Editions around 5 million pesos to 12 million peso of a property value. This is a mid-income to high-income earner market. And finally, we have here the First Centrale, a township project or, ibang terms, mixed-use development. Inside the Centrale, we are offering residential, commercial, and we even have retail shops. These sub-brands are focusing on specific target market. Kapag halimbawa, ikaw ay focusing sa Hermosa, Bataan, that project is a First Centrale. Inside First Centrale, we offer First Impressions. Also, kapag ikaw naman ay focusing sa Baliwag, Bulacan, that's the First Park Homes, Baliwag. If your buyer would like to purchase a property sa Bae, Laguna, we are pertaining to the First Sites Bae, Laguna. So, different market segment, different sub-brand, that's a proper way to address the brand and the project site that we have. With those project sites, we are now nationwide. That's right. First has already launched projects even outside Luzon. All in all, we have 34 projects launched since 2017. We have in Luzon, in Visayas, and already in Mindanao. Imagine, 2017, nagkaroon pa ng challenging times ng pandemic, but we are still launching projects. Kaya if you are looking for a company, a real estate developer that is stable, aggressive in terms of expansion ng projects, expansion ng networks even abroad, you are in the right company. Dahil dyan, we have here our milestones. We have received our Real Estate Asia Awards in 2023 as the Mid-Size Developer of the Year for the Philippines. And now, we are the #1 developer in all social media platforms. Imagine a developer having more than 4 million likes and followers in Facebook. We also got here our silver play button from YouTube. Having having received all those awards and being the #1 developer in all platforms, it only means that First is now a top of the mind brand. Here in the Philippines and even abroad, a Filipino already knows about First. That's how we market, that's how we expand our network. So, you are all required to follow and like all those social media pages. At syempre, after this program, you'll tap your KKKs. Kaibigan ka, mag-anak, kakilala, so you can already establish your very own network para sila ay maging future homeowners. With that, being part of the fastest developer in the Philippines, you will surely become a multi-millionaire here at First. And that day will start today. After this video, you will be answering a pop quiz. Upon getting a passing score, you will be directed to the next step, which is our product knowledge.